The Bolzoni Auramo KS7 Quattro model carton clamps are used in factories and warehouses for handling white goods, refrigerators, washing machines, television sets, as well as other materials packed in cartons. Thanks to the high-quality all-steel extruded profiles designed by Bolzoni Auramo, the weight, lost load, and center of gravity values are greatly reduced. Optimum lateral and central visibility is obtained by the T-profile, which allows for a compact sliding structure. One of the most common problems in handling white goods is the possibility of damages due to excessive clamping forces. The clamping pressure must then be evenly distributed over the entire load surface. This has been achieved by Bolzoni Auramo by means of supports completely covering the articulating contact pads, granting absolute rigidity and a uniform pressure spread over the entire load. Greater pad contact allows reduced clamping force, thus reducing product damage. Bolzoni Auramo provides a check valve with adjustable pressure relief and a visual pressure gauge as standard. The net result is easy monitoring and control of the clamping pressure. To assure correct clamping of the load with synchronized arm movement, the Bolzoni Auramo carton clamps are equipped with a flow divider as standard. For companies requiring both attachment and forks, Bolzoni Auramo carton clamps can be equipped with quick disconnect lower hooks. By adding quick disconnect hydraulic fittings, the carton clamp can be removed from the forklift truck in a few minutes. All elements of the clamp are designed to provide great strength, extended service life, and reduced maintenance cost. All carton clamps are equipped with 4-ways reversible pads to ensure even wear. Hardened steel wear strips are attached to the bottom of the pad arm to extend the life of the pads. Quattro Z-Series carton clamp arms are designed to guarantee gentle contact between clamp and the load. Both pads articulate in order to be parallel to the load. Special aluminum wedges at the tip end of the pads enables easy knifing between closely stacked loads. The perfectly smoothed surface of the pad support assembly makes for ease of withdrawing from loads. Bolzoni Auramo carton clamps have internal side shift as standard. They can also be mounted on an existing external side shift. Either form of side shift makes the unit more versatile. The Bolzoni Auramo carton clamp is the solution to clamping problems by providing damage-free handling, extended service life, and low maintenance cost. Bolzoni Auramo carton clamp. The great sensitive force.